Hello everybody and welcome. I'm back with an early release here in December in my trusty Web Manuals hoodie. I'm so happy to be here with you. It's almost Christmas time, and with that of course comes small Christmas gifts, either in the stocking, in the shoe, or wherever you leave them in the country that you're in. At least in Santa's workshop here at Web Manuals, the little elves, they've been busy, and of course we want to make sure that everything we are doing here in December as well lands with you before the end of the year. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into it. I want you to know that I'm not sharing a screen today. I'm just talking through the small features and bug fixes that we've done. It's just so you don't expect any huge screen to show up around me, because it will not this time at least. Adding users have actually been blocked now, or you can choose as an admin to block the addition of users if the contract is not allowing it, or if the contract is limiting to a specific number. You can choose if you want to apply this or not, but this will make it a lot easier for admins to know and control if their user count or user number is actually increasing or going above the current contract. Just a little nifty thing that will make it easier for some companies. The next one is that the compliance owners can be set on compliance requirements, and now you can actually activate a feature that allows the compliance owners to be the only ones to be able to change and update compliance requirements. So let's say we have a specific requirement, it will be taken care of by a specific person, and if we lock it in, then this person will be the only one who can make changes to everything in this requirement, making it a lot easier for you, if you have a lot of editors or owners, to actually control who is actually changing every single bit. So if you want to set it up and control it in a different way, now you can. Next one is that we have added an option to be able to break off the changelog, meaning that you can have a changelog with content, and then you can actually start a new changelog underneath it, meaning that you can have a changelog for specific changes or for specific comments, and then a new changelog with different types of comments. Thereby, if you need it, be able to create more clear lists of the specific comment types. Another thing we did was we actually changed the user ribbon in the top. Beforehand, a little ribbon would pop down saying this and this person is also working on your document, which created some issues for certain users when other people were jumping in and out. This ribbon would go up and down, and it would seem like the entire document was going up and down, creating a bit of a nuisance. Now, this we've of course taken to heart, and we've created little user icons instead that pops up in the top. Thereby, no more ribbon, no more jumping. And of course, if you need to know exactly who it is that is working on your document, you are able to simply mouse over that specific user icon, and it will then give you a balloon showing exactly who is it that's working on the document with me. In the reader, we have added the Help Center. Yes, we've added the Help Center button for readers as well, meaning that readers now have access to all the guides that are available, all the videos, all the product improvement or product updates that we're doing right here, but also just giving them access to the forum, thereby creating a whole community for all the readers as well. Also, in case the readers would like their voices heard in regards to updates and ideas, they're welcome to join us in the community forum and be part of this huge, amazing, and also growing community that we're building. And now we're moving on to bug fixes. And I know we have a couple of good ones. Some of you have been waiting for some of these. First off, very important, and I'm looking at you out there, we've actually fixed an issue that was caused by search. When searching, you would get hits, and if you left that search field and scrolled to a different page, then working and saved, after saving, it would, in most cases, jump back to where the search result was, or the first search result was. That could be quite a nuisance and very hard to navigate if you didn't know it came from search. We've now fixed this, so no more jumping after searching. That should be a good thing. Hope you enjoy that. Also, we fixed an issue that was with splitting sections Before, when you were splitting a text section, it would leave an empty line above where the split was done. That we are now removing, so you don't get that automatic empty line, meaning you don't have to clean up your content after splitting a text section. And that should make your lives a little bit easier as well. In print, we made a small update as well. When you're printing from the reader, it will give you a display of how the document looks or what it intends to print, and thereby you can move on to print. Beforehand, if you were clicking things too fast, it wouldn't be able to update or be able to load in the entire document into this print box. And when you did that, it wouldn't print all pages that was actually intended to be printed. Now we've added a delay on it, we've added different safeguards. So now, hopefully, it should actually print what you're intending to print from the reader. And the last thing, in the reader as well, when downloading file documents, there were a very few edge cases where the document name had unsafe characters in it, or characters we did not always recognize. If that was the case, then the document file would be downloaded as a zip file. This no longer happens, so now your documents will always be downloaded in the extension, in the document type that you are actually intending it to be. And that was all I had. That is one sprint's value jammed in here in the middle of December. I hope you enjoy it, and if I don't see you beforehand, then I wish you a wonderful Christmas. Enjoy.